Welcome to CRU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Hey there, cybersecurity enthusiasts. Today I'm diving deep into a sneaky threat that can wreak havoc on businesses' beaconing network traffic. So what is beaconing traffic? Essentially, it's periodic outbound communications from an infected system to a remote command and control server, often controlled by a threat actor. It's a key player in advanced persistent threats, botnets, and other nasty malware. But why do threat actors love beaconing traffic? Well, first off, it's all about control. Attackers maintain control over compromised machines, sending instructions or receiving stolen data. Stealth and persistence are also huge. These beacons are designed to blend in, mimicking normal traffic to evade detection. Next up, data exfiltration. Attackers can extract sensitive info in small, unnoticed chunks. Plus, beacons can signal network vulnerabilities for further exploitation. And let's not forget malware updates and deployment. Threat actors can push new payloads or change tactics on the fly. Now, what does this mean for businesses? First and foremost, data breaches and intellectual property theft. Imagine unauthorized access to trade secrets or customer data. Stolen data can be sold, ransomed, or leaked, causing financial and reputational damage. Financial loss and ransomware deployment is another big one. Ransomware relies on beaconing to activate encryption payloads, disrupting operations and leading to costly incident responses. Plus, regulatory and compliance violations. Think GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS. Missing beaconing traffic can mean legal penalties, and we can't ignore brand damage and customer trust erosion. Publicized breaches shake customer confidence, giving competitors an edge. Lastly, infrastructure compromise and espionage. Long-term persistence means cyber espionage, targeting strategic assets. So how do we fight back? Advanced network threat hunting is key. Analyze network traffic to spot malicious attempt. Network traffic analysis, threat intelligence feeds, endpoint detection and response. All must-haves. Embrace zero-trust architecture and leverage machine learning for advanced detection. Stay vigilant and happy hunting.